Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap, bright, local, and long-distance movers near me. If you're moving to Bright from another city or state within the United States, you'll need a moving van or truck. An experienced and trustworthy long-distance moving company is also essential in this situation. Fortunately, 3 Movers provides this service with the utmost expertise. Our movers put themselves in their customers' shoes to ensure that they know what they want and how to get it. They choose the route ahead of time to guarantee they make the deadline. Our drivers are cautious throughout the moving procedure to prevent damaging any fragile things in the moving truck. We also have the appropriate long-distance relocation permits and licenses to relocate across state lines without violating the law. In the event of a loss, insurance coverage is also in place. We're at the top long-distance movers in Bright. If you need a local moving service, 3 Movers is here for you. Because our local relocation is less than 50 miles away, it will usually take less time and cost less than a long-distance move. This relocation service costs between $30 and $40 an hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bright Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.